Welcome to my channel. Car steering wheel is shaking. What to do? Step 1. Check tire balance. Unbalanced tires are a common cause of steering wheel vibrations. Step 2. Inspect tire condition. Look for uneven wear, bulges, or low tread depth. Replace damaged or worn-out tires. Step 3. Check wheel alignment. Misaligned wheels can cause shaking, especially at high speeds. A wheel alignment service may be needed. Step 4. Inspect brake rotors. Warped or worn-out brake rotors can cause vibrations when braking. Have them checked and resurfaced or replaced. Step 5. Examine suspension components. Worn-out ball joints, tie rods, or control arms can cause instability. A mechanic should inspect and replace them if necessary. Step 6. Look for loose lug nuts. Loose wheel lug nuts can cause vibrations. Ensure they are properly tightened to the manufacturer's specifications. Step 7. Check wheel bearings. Faulty or worn-out wheel bearings can create vibrations. If you hear grinding noises, have them replaced. Step 8. Inspect axles and CV joints. A damaged axle or CV joint can cause shaking, especially during acceleration. Look for cracks, leaks, or excessive play. Step 9. Examine the power steering system. Low power steering fluid or a failing power steering pump can contribute to steering wheel vibrations. Refill or repair as needed. Step 10. Visit a mechanic for a full inspection. If the issue persists, have a professional mechanic diagnose and fix the underlying problem for safety and peace of mind. Thank you for watching.